Hello boys and girls, welcome to our channel Live Reviewed. Today we have with us a Sony stereo headphones MDR XB550 AP. So this costs 3290 and I got this for 2800 from Amazon. So the specialty of this is this has extra bass. As you know, Sony manufactures is one of the best manufacturers of headphones, so I decided to go with this. So this has mic in this, we can have calls from this, hands-free phone calls. This has a 30 driver unit. So for those of you who do not know about the driver, that's the size of the speakers inside. The more the size of the driver, the more powerful it is. So this is bass booster, it swivels. So yeah, of course earphone should do that. On ear, this is not an over ear headphone, so this is on ear, so we should keep that in mind. So bass booster, we have some Chinese scripts here, so yeah, obviously this is made in China. 30 yeah. So let us go ahead and do the unboxing of this. Don't you guys love the satisfying feel of removing this plastic of a new product? So we have this bias posted Sony. Oopsie. So nice packaging. This has that box. This is tough, so it's nice. So this is the blue unit and this looks really nice. So this has the metal band. The earlier model of this, the XB450 was completely made of plastic, so this is an upgrade on that. This is a metal band. As you can see, it runs all around this. This has cushion also. The earlier model didn't have the cushion. So let us take it out. Okay, so just put it aside. So this is what we have in the box, nothing else. So this has a 1.5 meter wire, so that is really long. We have standard documentation, stereo headphones, operational instructions. Let us put this aside. And this is a tangle free wires, so this is one of the reasons I decided to go for this. This is a little bit ribbed, so yeah, this shouldn't get tangled. This is gold plated, and this is a nice rough feeling. This is plastic, this is not metal. And this have this is, they say that this is for in like to improve the bass of this unit. Not very heavy, lightweight. Yeah. So guys, this was the unboxing video. Like this video for more such reviews, and subscribe to our channel for the full review of this unit. Thank you for watching and stay safe.